are blessed by Mother Earth. Exploring adventure made me realize that I am grateful.
Oh.
Lot of fish. Wow. Hi kings and queens, spend the day with me as I go for an exciting adventure, living where we all call comfort zone. It's a day filled with different experience, exciting moments, most especially strangers I have never met before. They saw me on this day and decided to join me. They said, "We want to follow you. Let's explore together." Will I say that is the highlight of the day? Being loved by people you don't know. We are heading to our main destination. We have to climb several hills before getting to our destination. Climbing the hills, going up and down several times was not easy at all. It was very exhausting and at the same time exciting. Yeah. Yes. We are here. You see this water, you'll be looking at it and you think that the water is not clean. When you scoop it with your hand or with a bowl, you will see how clean it is. Me trying to get a balance, looking for a better place to sit so I can fish.
Please give me one hook. Bring one hook for me. Come and give me.
It's my very first time fishing with hook. So look at my boys already doing their thing at the back. Some of them at the front or the other side of the river.
Another one. Another one. Is that fish? Now I want to eat this particular one. Oh. Terrible mosquito plenty here. Mosquito plenty here.
There are a lot of mosquitoes and we need to rest and continue fishing later, so we need to build a shade far from the pond. And we head to look for palm front to build a shade where we can rest for a while we continue. Just notice what is about to happen. The cows thought we are cutting the palm front for them to eat. You know, they like anything green leaf. And one of my friends have to run away because the cows are close to eat the palm front. At this point, the herdsman succeeded in chasing his cows away so we can be able to cut our palm fronts in peace and go and build our shade.
When I was coming, I made new friends. You know, not just one, not two, but three amazing people. So they decided to join me for this adventure. I said, why not? You know, it's going to be more fun, you know, having other people around, not just me in the bush. I'm kind of a little bit scared because of the cow, you know, they don't come and hit me. But I'm going to introduce my friends to you in a bit. When we continue, meet my new friends. I met them this morning, so they decided to join me for this adventure. So what's your name? Goswe. What's your name? Okay, this is Daniel. Your own name? Blessed. Okay, so it has been fun all the way. So it's time to build shade. It's time to build our shade. As you can see, the sun is off, everywhere is hot, so we need shade, you know, as we continue fishing.
The boys left me to continue fishing while I build the shade or the hut myself.
It seems as if I will give up. I've been building this hut for over 30 minutes now, and it's not working. This place I'm trying to build the hut, the soil is so strong, like very, very strong. It seems as if I will give up. Maybe look for somewhere there, you know, somewhere around close to the water, this part of the water, because the water is in both left and right side, and just to rest before I leave. But for now, it's not just working. Honestly, I've been digging. The ground is so strong. You'll be thinking because of this, the soil is close to the river or the pond, it's going to be soft. It's not true. It's very, very hard. Let me just show you so you understand what I mean. See, I've been trying to look at how hard this soil is. My knife cannot even go through. So strong. I've been trying to dig. Look at everything I'm trying to do here. It's not just working. So I will leave it close to the water. There's somewhere I can hide there just to escape from the sun, you know, for a couple of hours. All right.
At this point, I have to join the boys.
Woo! Yo, see my fish. Wow. So we join this one to the last side, to the other one. My small fish. Woo! Okay.
is very, very hot. We need to cool off. The boys and I are very hungry and tired, so we need to cool off a little bit. What bread cut today? My basin is just really small to full. Guys, lot of fish. Lots of fish. Oh, lots of fish. So
then I don't kill for the see. That's what they on the back. So they don't already come out. Just do it more this thing. Here they go. Guys,